Hello viewers and my subscribers, hope you're all well. I was in Udupi, Karnataka, India with my family. So we decided to go and enjoy some local cuisine. We went to Woodlands, a vegetarian restaurant for breakfast. And trust me, it was so delicious. We thoroughly enjoyed, especially that dish called Mude. It's idli rice cake. It was wrapped in a fragrance leaf, and actually it gives that it's a kind of an aroma. It's so delicious. I really enjoyed that dish. The Mangalore buns, the banana buns were so good. The whole breakfast was very good, and it wasn't that expensive. The atmosphere was very good. I would highly recommend this restaurant. Next time when I go there, I'm going to visit there again. I hope you will like this video. Enjoy watching. It's wrapped in it's kind of a rice cake. It's cooked in a leaf, the banana leaf. I don't know what leaf it is. Oh my god, it's fully wrapped. And there it is. Not an easy one. I have to remove all this. Oh, that's a bit of a pain. You see this, all this ham, and this is how they have wrapped this one. It's kind of a rice cake. Mude. It's a rice cake.
Eat with this. That's all. ये gravy से खाना.
Oh, this is sambar. So how do I eat that? Just like idli? Just like idli. Very nice. It's really nice. I really liked it. And the chutney is very good. And this rice cake, which is cooked and wrapped in a leaf. I have no idea what that leaf is, but it's definitely tastes much nicer. Thank you.
It's like the
This is very delicious, and that's Idiyappam.
That's also made by Roy. That's a banana bun. Should I just pour it everything in here? Just a little. Thank you. And soft. You see that? How beautiful it is. It's tasty.
It was a great experience eating at the Woodlands Restaurant's breakfast. It was delicious. Guys, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. And thank you so much for watching. See you soon. You take care.